Hey guys, just wanna go over a quick recap for today. Um, Made 2K on my eValve account, and I made $500 on my funded account. Originally I was up about 300 right here, just off this simple trade, but before that I kept trying to click sell, and it would just instantly, because I would click sell and uh click these, it would tap it fucking instantly. So it's just pretty annoying. I just lost like $100 right off that trade. So I technically got like $200 right here, and I got like $300 off this trade right here. And then this was my eValve account. I took a trade right about here, and we displaced higher. First TP was at this high, and then my second TP was at this high. And now I want to see if we reach for this external high. Um, Besides that, the confluences for these trades is that on the 5 minute we had a SMT with this high in ES. We had a change in the stated delivery rate here, so that is why I shorted. I wanted to see ideally this low being taken out. Wasn't really too focused on this low, but I like almost scaled all my positions out on this low and had like a contract or two just going for this low. Wanted to see it go for this low, but it displaced higher, and we actually got out right here. And then on the E valve, saw that we were displacing higher, so I got long right here. And like I said, also created a SMT right here, but had our first TP right here and our second. And then on my funded account, I wanted to be up a few more $100. So right here I got short, or I got long right here, and because we failed to take this high, I got nervous and got out, shorted, got scared again, and saw that we weren't breaking this low right here. So I bought again, and then we finally hit our TP. And also doesn't make sense to have two different biases on two different funded accounts. Like what's the point of that? At that point, that's literally like gambling. That's like just not smart at all. But anyways, like I said, could have held it for this high potentially if I was looking for something like this, because I have a good feeling we are going to hit this external high. But besides that, that was our trade for the day. Just going to show you guys like a little like in the moment trade and why I was so bullish. Hey guys, just took this trade right here, and I'm gonna tell you why this is gonna work. So just to start us off on the 15 minute, we have an SMT with this low. We take this low right here, but fail to take this low. We have a displacement right back into the range. On the 5 minute, right now we are waiting for a close over this fair value gap, which we're going to get in a minute and 30. Besides that, right now we're just kind of waiting for that displacement leg back into the range right now. But this is going to be kind of like what I'm looking at right now. There we go. Late bloomer. Hit the bloody TP, mate. Yep. There we go. So guys, that's gonna be the little recap, just a little wrap up sesh. I really did like those three trades. They didn't feel the first trade didn't really feel the safest, but I'm just glad we still caught a little bit of the pit movement on that. The second trades and the third trade did feel really well. I felt pretty confident with those trades, and I was pretty happy about the outcome of it. Just throw a little bias for the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Monday consolidated, Tuesday manipulated and distributed. Wednesday looks like if we do end up staying below this low, like if we do end up staying like down here, then I would want to see us go lower. But Wednesday could be a reversal, and then Thursday on the hour or Wednesday on the hourly, if we end up respecting this high, like if we end up not closing below it, then overall I would want to be bearish or bullish for tomorrow and Friday. But besides that, that's going to be my wrap up for today.